If you're stuck on what to make for dinner, then watch this video because I'm sharing 3 easy paleo dinner recipes that are great, healthy, low carb dinner ideas. And if you're new to my channel, Keep Up With Liv, make sure to subscribe because we make tons of healthy, delicious recipes that are good for you and taste good as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we're making is a twist on beef and broccoli. So I'm adding some coconut aminos to some grass-fed beef, which is a better choice than your conventional beef. And coconut aminos are great because they actually have inositol. It's better for you than soy sauce because there's no gluten. I add in a little bit of sesame oil as well as some arrowroot, which really helps to give a texture to the beef when we cook it. So that's our marinade that we're going to stir in and kind of let it sit while we get our pan ready. So I'm heating my pan to medium heat with a little bit of avocado oil and some garlic. Garlic is great for you this time of year, as well as ginger. Both are antimicrobial, antibacterial, great for supporting the immune system. They're a really good thing to basically add into a bunch of your meals throughout the winter time. Then we're going to take our beef and put that into the pan, and I cook it for about 3-4 minutes per side. You just need to cook it until it's through and cooked how you like. Then I'm going to be adding in a little bit of fish sauce, some more coconut aminos, and some broccoli. Now I have this pre-steamed broccoli, but if you haven't yet, you can add it in a little bit earlier to the beef so that it starts to cook. Broccoli is great because it's loaded with what is called I3C, which helps to support healthy hormone balance. It's also full of sulforaphane, and what those do is that they're anti-cancer in your body. So the broccoli is a really good thing to be adding into your meals. So once that's all cooked through and the sauce has thickened a bit, you can go ahead and plate it. And this is such an easy, quick meal to make. I love making this. I finished it off with a little bit of sesame seeds, and it honestly just tastes so good, and it's a quick meal as well. Next up, we are making this sausage bowl. So I'm starting off by chopping up half of a sweet potato. So all of these recipes that I'm making right now are recipes for one, but you can definitely double them or quadruple them if you're cooking for more than one person or for a family. And sweet potatoes are great because they are loaded with vitamin A, which not only helps to support your eye health, but also helps to support your immune health. It's also full of manganese, which helps to support your liver and the detoxification process, which is what helps you feel good and not be bloated and not, have weight gain and all that kind of stuff. So I add the sweet potato to a pan and I cook that for about 3-4 minutes while I get my other ingredients ready, like my mushrooms and my sausage. Mushrooms are loaded with B5, which is pantothoic acid, and this is actually needed for so many cellular processes in our body and helps to actually give us energy. It also supports liver detox, and it's loaded with glutathione as well. And then I add in some greens, so I'm adding in some shredded Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are loaded with folate, which helps in cellular repair, helps with inflammation, and it's also loaded with vitamin K. So I add that in and kind of cook that down. While everything is finishing cooking, I add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You can definitely add in any kind of your favorite seasonings here too, but this is just a really quick little stir fry that you can make. You have protein, you have some nice green vegetables, some complex carbohydrates from the sweet potato, and it all comes together super quick, and it's loaded with so many good things for you. And I love meals like this that you can make quickly because I don't like spending a lot of time making dinner, especially during the week. I find I want something quick, easy, and delicious, and it's got so much variety, so much yumminess in it for you, and it's all really simple ingredients that you can buy at your local grocery store. And of course, you can also change up the vegetables if you don't like any of these particular ones. And lastly, I'm showing you a chicken salad. So I'm using a mix of spinach and arugula for greens, both of which are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin K, iron, and the fiber in them as well is also super important for your gut health and also helps you maintain a healthy weight. I'm adding in some chicken for protein, so just some leftover chicken, some pomegranate seeds, which I have been loving in my salads. They're really great for your blood pressure, your memory, and they help to fight infections. And then I'm adding in some pecans. These were some caramelized ones from my healthy snack ideas. Again, healthy fats, vitamin E, and fiber too. So now you have 3 easy paleo dinners that you can make that are healthy, low carb, and delicious. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so that more people can find my content. And I am going to leave my healthy dinner playlist right here that has tons more healthy recipes. They're all really easy, really tasty, and delicious. So make sure you check that out after this video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.